How long can I hang for? This right here is a golgappa. This is chickpeas and potato, and then the water for it. Let me teach you. You just break one of these, you put inside, like this. You take the water, you dip it in, okay? And then you eat it whole. You ready? Wow. If you had not had golgappa before, go try them. Very nice. Love that. Wow. Come on. Food saga. I'm hungry. What's in the fridge? I can't do it. Diet. Oh, I just want like cake. I want to eat junk, burger, pizza. But no. Apparently it's about to be the hottest day in the UK ever. 40 degrees. 40! Doesn't matter? No. Oh, we lost weight. Ooh. When you want to play Fall Guys, but he's checked your spot.
It's the way he just randomly goes.
He's checked my spot. I need your help. Help me sell these, please. Beard cream, anybody? We need a plan. We need to plan. I'm on 2 journeys at the moment. Fitness and millionaire. We have a plan. Keep it simple. We got a fan running there. And then we got a fan running here. This is madness. It's absolute madness. It's morning. My cravings are going wild. I don't know why I have wild cravings. Do you have wild cravings? We're gonna have fish in the morning. I know it's not a good diet thing. People are gonna be like, oh, you shouldn't be eating this. But hey, sometimes you just gotta eat. And then we'll skip a meal. That's how we're gonna work it out. So eating this in the morning, and then we'll have one more meal in the day, and that's it. Then this will go in. It's not looking too bad today. Let's go. I tried doing some kick-ups, but didn't work. I'm kind of very badly out of shape. Yeah. All right. There's a long way to go. Yeah.